Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation on English Literature. How is eco-petrol contributing to population? 1. Introduce myself. 2. Gain reason with eco-petrol contributing to population. 3. Describe action to reduce pollution. 1. Introduce myself. Let's start. My name is Heidi Gomez and study Business Administration. I am 40 years old. I live in San Andrés de Sotavento, Córdoba. I work as fashion designer. I am from Barranquilla. What is Ecopetrol Company? Let's move the main topic on the presentation. Ecopetrol is a Colombian in charge of managing the national hydrocarbon reserve. Based in Bogotá, Colombia, the company began operating in 1921 after being aware to the Tropical Oil Company. Its presence in Colombia has affected the environment mainly due to the production of greenhouse gases and due to the amount to ecosystems of animals from rivers or seas. Consequence of climate change. As contingency. So let's consider some of the consequences on climate change. As you can see, according to the report, the Carbon Management Report, Ecopetrol S.A. is ranked 53 with a contribution of 0.2026 of GHG greenhouse gas emissions, a factor that contributes to increasing global warming. There are complaints about the effects in animals on land due to the filtration in some thoughts, and this image will show. The next point is that there are complaints about the affectation in animals and lands to the liquid and some pits in Boyacá, as can be seen in the images. How do you contribute to the climate change? Composting habits. Let's consider a now pound. What about consumer? Well, we as consumers are also responsible for the impact on the environment. For example, when about petrol products, soap and solvents, detergents, plastics, cited 5 products such as acrylic, polyester, nylon, and lycra. Also when an all transportation service since the earth population. I am responsible for the negative impact on the world of consuming oil derivatives. What can be done? West hosts have to change our combustion habits, decrease their compost and show the old products the general will renown result. Example, with beet products not derived from oil. And finally, um, accordance with sustainable development goal 12, we have to keep responsible consumption and production without drastic action. Be the industry we will now about to stop greenhouse gas emissions and drought to ecosystem and animals in their habitat. Thank you very much.